Now, in a big setback for the Mamata government, the Kolkata High Court has now ordered CBI probe into all cases of rape and murder in the aftermath of TMC's poll victory in Bengal. All state agencies have now been asked to cooperate with the CBI and provide it with all case details as required. The High Court in its order stated that no adverse action can be taken without the court's direction there. The court also ordered that compensation to victims of violence will have to be transferred directly into their bank accounts. For all other cases of violence, the court monitored SIT probe. The SIT will be headed by DG rank officer Suman Sahu and will also constitute two other ADG rank officers. The panel has been asked to submit its report to the court in 6 weeks' time. India Today learns that the state government is holding legal consultations and mulling over approaching the top court against its order.
See, what I actually wanted was that a CBI investigation into grave offences, and not just that, also that there should be an independent investigation, which is only possible if there is a constitution of an SIT, because people of Bengal now have lost trust in the government here and in the agencies of the government. So we had asked for an independent agency to probe in the matter and a constitution.
And the big controversy, of course, was on the NHRC report. The court has, spoken about it as well. What do you have to say about it?
Yes, the court said that there was actually no question of any kind of biasness. The court asked them to go find out the ground reality and they came up with the report.
Right.
So that is what is upheld in the judgment also.
वहाँ की सरकार को एक दायित्व मिला है जनता की सेवा करने का, ना कि हिंसा फैलाने का, और हिंसा नहीं होनी चाहिए। जिस देश को आज़ादी के साथ भी महात्मा गांधी जी के साथ अहिंसा के साथ जोड़ा जाता था, उस देश में अगर पश्चिम बंगाल में हिंसा के लिए जाना जाए तो इससे बड़ा दुर्भाग्य क्या होगा। जहां से स्वामी विवेकानंद आए, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर आए, डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी आए, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस आए, उस राज्य को अगर आज हिंसा के लिए जाना जाए तो इससे बड़ा दुर्भाग्य क्या होगा।
जिस प्रकार से टीएमसी के कार्यकर्ताओं ने भाजपा के समर्थकों पर, भाजपा के वोटरों पर, भाजपा के कार्यकर्ताओं पर हमला बोला, महिलाओं के साथ बलात्कार के जो वाकया सामने आए, लोगों के घर तोड़ने की जो बातें सामने आई, लाखों लोगों को बंगाल छोड़कर दूसरे प्रदेशों में जाकर शरण लेनी पड़ी, और ये सब ममता बनर्जी के प्रशासन के अंदर हुआ। ये जो कलकत्ता हाई कोर्ट का जजमेंट आया है, इससे मुझे उम्मीद है कि लोगों को न्याय मिलेगा और जो कानूनी प्रक्रिया है वो पूरी तरीके से अपना काम करेगी।
If in every law and order matter which is entirely within the state government's jurisdiction, the CBI comes in, is unfortunate and it's a transgression on the state's right. So I'm not happy with that. I'm sure that the state government will judge the whole situation and take a decision to appeal to a higher court if necessary.
I'm going to cut across to Indrajit Kundu reporting live from Kolkata for more on that. Indrajit, we do know that the court has now ordered for a CBI probe. Of course, a big blow to the Mamata Banerjee government. From reports, we hear that Mamata Banerjee and her government now are planning to challenge the court's order. What does that mean? Will they not comply with the CBI investigation which has been ordered? All state agencies have now been ordered to comply with the CBI.
Well, the state government is free to move the apex court, and what we are hearing is that the state government is in consultation right now, and there is a possibility that this order may be challenged before the apex court. At the same time, we are hearing from BJP sources is that they too are mulling moving a caveat before the Supreme Court, so that if the state government actually decides to move the Supreme Court, they should be given a hearing first. So it's going to be a protracted legal battle. That's what the hint is right now. But most definitely, this is a major setback for the Mamata Banerjee government. She's just been sworn in for the third time this May, and right after that, this comes in as a huge setback. The entire case now being handed over to the CBI to probe into allegations, grave allegations of heinous crimes like rape and murder. However, the rest of the post-poll violence cases will be dealt with by a special investigation team that has been formed by the court itself, and the court will also monitor its investigation. Now, both the SIT and the CBI will now have to, put before the High Court its report within the next 6 months, and the state government have been asked to compensate the victims of post-poll violence according to the provisions that are already in place before the state government.
Thank you, Indrajit, for joining us with those details. TMC now, as per reports, planning to challenge the court's verdict. But here you have the Kolkata High Court now ordering for a CBI probe into cases of murder and rape attached with post-poll violence in West Bengal.